Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use the simple home remedy to get rid of your bad breath in the comfort of your home. So say no to bad breath instantly. You're gonna get rid of it completely. So if you want to know this, you keep watching. So before we start, kindly click on the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed, please check. You will see where there is subscribe. Just click on that subscribe button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And also, please share this video with your friends. Share it with your friends, share it with anyone around you, your friends, your loved ones out there. Like this video if you really like it. Thank you. First of all, you start by grating the lemon peel. You grate it and make sure the peel you're grating is up to a tablespoon, because we are going to use 1 tablespoon of lemon peel. The next thing you're going to be doing is to get a bowl. Then you take 1 tablespoon of the lemon peel. 1 teaspoon is enough for this mouthwash. You don't really need much. So you add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And if you don't have baking soda, you can use any toothpaste of your choice instead. Another one is a tablespoon of salt. Just add a tablespoon of salt to it. You pour in your warm water and stir it for some minutes. Make sure you stir it very well. Take your time and stir it. You strain it into a glass cup. So just keep it aside for some minutes when you're done. So once this is ready, you're going to take a mouthful of it, like about 4 times. Jiggle it. When you jiggle it for some minutes, so once you're done doing this, you're going to have a fresh breath. Do this twice daily for best results. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to click on the like button to like my videos and also share it with your family and friends. Bye. When you're done doing this, you're going to have a... So once you're done doing this, you're going to have a fresh breath. Do this twice daily for best results. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to click on the like button to like my videos and also share it with your family and friends.